We do have some news breaking late last night. Boeing's machinists union voting to reject that latest contract offer. It extends the strike. The stock this morning off by about 2.1%. Phil LeBeau joins us right now. He's got more on that story. Hi, Phil.
Hi, Becky. This was an overwhelming rejection. When you take a look at the final vote here, 64%, basically two-thirds of the machinists who voted, they said no, this is not a good enough contract. 36% did say they would agree to the contract, but that's not good enough at this point. The strike continues after 41 days. Late last night, this is what the president of the Machinists Union had to say about the vote.
This wasn't enough for our members. There is a big gap that we couldn't reach, especially when it's been 16 years since we've had a chance to bargain every area of our contract. And trying to make all that up in one is very hard to do, but our members deserve more. They've spoken loudly, and we're going to go back to the table to try to achieve those things.
So here's a refresher on the contract that was just rejected. 35% raise over 4 years, $7,000 signing bonus. Boeing also committed to putting a $5,000 one-time deposit in every machinist 401k. The annual bonus would be at least 4%. But that's not enough for the machinist. And yesterday, when we sat down with Kelly Ortberg, the CEO of Boeing, we asked him about how important it is to get a deal done. Here's what he had to say.
The vote is important. It's more important in terms of our long-term getting back to building airplanes, delivering good airplanes. And so we've worked really hard to find that overlap where we've got a deal that the employees can feel good about and the company can be successful going forward.
As you take a look at shares of Boeing, remember, this is a costly strike. It's estimated to be costing Boeing at least $1 billion per month. It's now 41 days long. There is a potential capital raise of $10 to $15 billion that is set up. It's ready to go. Boeing has essentially lined everything up, but they haven't pulled the trigger yet. Why? They wanted to get this contract locked in with the machinists. We'll see if that changes their calculation at all, since this strike is clearly going to go a bit longer here. Bottom line is this, guys. This contract they're going to have to go back to the table, negotiate it. My sense is they will probably have to sweeten the deal, likely with the signing bonus. That's one way that you can convince a lot of rank-and-file members, hey, sign now. You're going to have immediate bonus of X amount, and that may be the way that they ultimately get this done. But clearly, they're going to have to go back to the negotiating table.
If you get a signing bonus that comes in, you raise that, that's a one-time payment versus something like a pension that the machinists are actually looking for. That's much longer-term financial issues for the company to be able to say something like that. Phil, is there any comment from Boeing on this?
Not yet. We reached out to them last night, and we haven't heard back from them. I suspect that we won't hear back from them today, aside perhaps from a very boilerplate type statement saying, look, we're disappointed. We will go back to the negotiating table.
We just got guidance from the company yesterday when they reported their earnings. Does this impact that guidance? I think for the fourth quarter, they were anticipating losing about $4 billion.
It depends on what they ultimately have to come to in terms of an agreement. Look,
and
every time they raise it, let's talk about the signing bonus. Let's say they throw another $1,000 or $2,000 into a signing bonus for the rank and file members. There are 33,000 of them. You do the math, 33 million for every 1,000 that you kick it up. So let's say they go up to 10%, a $10,000 signing bonus. You know, that's another $100 million, right, essentially. Is that going to have a huge implication on the bottom line for Boeing? Probably not. It might, but probably not. Now, you get into a far different discussion if you start going into things like a longer raise over time, et cetera. But I think near term, I'm not certain that there's going to be much change in terms of Q4.
Is there a point where they would ask mediators to get involved or try and seek help from the White House? I mean, this is a pretty big deal, a very important company.
The acting labor secretary was the mediator of sorts, the go-between between Boeing and the machinists for this latest contract. My sense is that she probably will be involved again. They already have, in the past, met with a federal mediator. That's obviously an option as well. I think, look, this is not a case where Boeing doesn't want to get a deal done, where they're dragging their feet. They do want to get a deal done. The question becomes, what's the sweet spot? Where's the point where you can convince enough members it's time to get back into the factories in Renton and Everett and start building planes again?